Hi, welcome to ENS. In today's video, we are going to discuss and explain lesson plan, that how we can create lesson plan for the class subjects and how we can go through to manage our syllabus topics to cover the lessons and topics for individual class timetable which we have already created before. So the timetable we created for the teachers, so the teachers here can uh, create and add their and they can manage their lesson plans here. So first of all, for that we need to create a lesson. So if we go here on the lesson uh, tab, so we already have created one for playgroup section A, that is the subject groups. Subject is English and lesson is English definitions. If I want to create another one, add lesson plan, select the class playgroup section A, playgroup general, and that is the subject English. So here we can add the lesson name, and if we need more, so we can add more here. First I will say to create understanding of uh, tenses. Next one is understanding of active voice and passive voice. Understanding of nouns and pronouns. And I'll save and close it. So that's been created here. The next one. Now we can use this for the topics and to manage our lesson plan. So next we are going to add the topics. I'm going to add topic. So you need to select the class again, select section, playgroup general, and that is English. Lesson, now you can see that the lessons which we have added before are here in the drop down. So I'm going to do the understanding of tenses. If I need more lines, so I will say present tenses, future tenses, and past tenses. General introduction to tenses, and I say I will close it. That has been created here now. These are the topics which we will be adding to cover in each and every particular class of English according to the timetables assigned to them. So that's how we are adding topics and lessons for the lesson plan management. In the next video we will show that how we are using to manage the lesson on the basis of these topics and lesson created. Thank you very much for